How to share other accounts on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect different social media accounts. Open up the Play Store. Here search Instagram app. Tap on the app to check the updated version. Then open up the Instagram app. Click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Hold on your profile icon, click on Add Account. Then tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down to show other accounts. Then tap on Add Facebook link from links. Go back to Profile. Click on the profile icon, tap to add an account. Tap on Login to existing account. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share.